Hi, I'm Sherry Brezen. I'm the Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with Pasco County Extension.
Hi, my name's Kyle Christmas. I run the Community Garden Program for the Pasco County Extension Office. Today we want to talk to you guys about our new program called Pasco's Plant to Plate. Sherry, you want to tell them about it?
In this series, we're not only going to showcase what kind of foods are being grown locally in your gardens throughout Pasco County, but some recipe ideas as well.
Let's get started. Alrighty, now we're out here at the garden located behind the one-stop shop. I want to go over kind of what we're growing right now out here. We've got some cucuzza, which is a squash. We have some eggplant. We've got peppers out here right now, some tomatoes, and an assortment of herbs. Today for our cooking demonstration, Sherry is going to be using eggplant and tomatoes. Let's go ahead and take these inside so she can get started.
Kyle just brought all the ingredients from outside, and now we're going to make eggplant pizza bites today. We're going to put a little bit of salt on our eggplant. Now when you cut your eggplant, you can leave the skin on. The skin is going to be where you're going to find a lot of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And for the sake of the pizza bites, the skin will let it hold up a lot better. And you're gonna want your baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We're gonna let these sit for 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes is up. Now we're gonna put these in the oven for 15 minutes. And we're gonna flip these over. So we're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder, and then we're gonna put this on each slice. We're gonna do about a tablespoon on each. And then with pizza, you can get as creative as you want with toppings. Today we're gonna do some cherry tomatoes, which you might also be growing. And then we're also gonna put some basil, also from our garden. And then last, we're gonna top it with some cheese. And then once you're done with your toppings, you're gonna put it back in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted.
Hey Sherry, how's it going?
Hey.
Man, these smell and look amazing.
Thanks.
Tell me what you did.
These are eggplant pizza bites. So the eggplant that you had earlier up at the garden, that you brought in earlier, we just chopped them up into little slices and made little pizzas out of them.
If you'd like to learn more about what Extension does and all the programs that we have to offer, please log on to mypasco.net.
Thanks for tuning in to Pasco's Plant to Plate. We'll see you next time.